roaring in the morning sun.
Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl, and if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, in today's video, tag along as I fry my hair using texturizer. I am using the soften free texturizer that comes with a neutralizing shampoo. This was at night. I was so tired, but my hair had to be done. Texturizers and chemicals need to be applied on dirty hair. I don't know the reason behind that, but I know that's a rule. So yeah, my hair was dirty, and we started by sectioning the hair. I sectioned my hair into 3 parts so that it can be easy to work with. And then if you have sensitive scalp, you can apply Vaseline, especially on the forehead, along the forehead, Vaseline or baby powder to prevent the texturizer from burning your skin. I personally did not do that because my scalp is not that sensitive. Also, you are required to use gloves to apply the texturizer, especially if you have open wounds and cuts. Don't be like me. I didn't have any open wound and my skin isn't that sensitive, so that's why I was using my hand. I previously had never come across any type of texturizer, so when I bumped into this soften free texturizer, I decided to pick it up. If you have been watching my videos, you know when I bought this texturizer. I bought it a while back, and you know where I got it from because I showed you guys in one of my videos. After applying the texturizer, you have to comb every strand of your hair so that you can get the texturizer all the way in the hair.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's not take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's not take a walk.
This is the amount of hair I lost during this process, and I let the texturizer sit in my hair for 10 to 15 minutes because I have tough African hair. By now the texturizer was texturizing. I'm sorry for the hiccup guys. Was texturizing, and I started feeling the itchiness, iyo kuwashwa ya chemical. Yeah, after the 15 minutes I washed my hair with a neutralizing shampoo that came with a texturizer as shown, and then I went in with a conditioner. Yeah, and here is how my hair looks like after the wash. I then went in with this black essential leave-in treatment because my hair is already weak due to the dye plus the texturizer. One thing you should note is that whenever you place chemical on your hair or dye or the texturizer, your hair becomes weak. Therefore, you need to take extra care of your hair, especially when it comes to hair treatment. This is the following day. I went to the salon to set my hair, and one thing I noticed after setting my hair is that my hair became softer, but not as soft as it would have been if I relaxed my hair. It was still slightly tough. This is how my hair looked like a day after, and the curls were worn out. Just, a few curls. I had to flat iron the front of my hair. Plus my hair is quite damaged due to the dye. Plus, I have texturized my hair. That's another chemical. So currently my hair is not at its healthy state. Look at that mess that's in my head. But well, I decided to play it like 5 days after texturizing it, and yeah, I will be updating you guys the progress of my hair. So currently my hair is damaged, as you guys can see, but well, it's hair, it will grow back. So yeah, I was experimenting so that you guys don't have to experiment with your hair, you know. Anyway, I plaited this Italian curls, and you can watch out my next video. I'll be showing you guys how to style the Italian curls. It's such a good breed. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.